Ever thought about what your brand sounds like? With MegaTranscript's text-to-speech tool, you can give your business a voice that's as unique as you are. Imagine narrating your content, creating ads, or even training materials without spending hours recording.
Bienvenido a MegaTranscript.
Welcome to MegaTranscript, your ultimate solution.
Welcome to MegaTranscript, your ultimate solution for
With 15 natural-sounding voices, you can make your brand warm, professional, or anything in between. It's quick, easy, and fun. Just type your text, choose a voice, and hit play. The result? Audio that's clear, engaging, and completely you. Why not try it for yourself? Let's make your words stand out, loud and clear.